Hi, Empty Nesters. I'm Mark.
And I'm Jackie.
And we are at the Adeline Hotel in Old Town Scottsdale.
This is another one of those hotels that we booked off of our Marriott Bonvoy program. And we thought it was super cute, so we thought we'd take you on a little tour. The breakfast is excellent.
Yeah, it really is.
A little pro tip that I will give you. If you're staying here, there's a free coffee station. But if you sit down and have coffee at the breakfast and they bring it over to you, it's $5 for a cup of coffee. Before you sit down, go to the free coffee station, get yourself a cup of coffee, and then sit down for breakfast. You'll save yourself $5 or in our case $10.
What did you order?
I got, it's called the Hangover Cure or something like that.
Let me see. Let me take a look at it. Looks like a changa.
It's a breakfast chimichanga.
Ooh.
Here, let me cut into it. You
Okay.
can see first impression here. And what'd you get?
So I got 2 eggs over medium, and the French toast sounded good. And you know what? That looks great. Fresh fruit. Wow. And every now and then, you'll run into Jacki.
This is such a cute little hidden gem in the Old Town Scottsdale area. It's not one of the big name hotels, but honestly, we really enjoyed our time here.
I would say that, and as we stand here in the parking lot, I'm looking up at Camelback Mountain just in the background right there, which is really neat. So really great location to Old Town, and even North Scottsdale, you're not that far away. And the hotel itself and the overall experience, I would say, really was, like you say, nice.
So stay here. People are nice, good location, clean. What more can you want?
Yeah.
Anything else we need to say?
I'm thinking we're there.